practical session we are going to do machine update and upgrade latest cases. So we'll just check the Ubuntu version. Now we are going to update packages to this Ubuntu 20.04 operating system. So by updating current software, we need to run sudo apt-get update command. So it's failing. So let me try one more time. So time is not correct. So we need to set time. So if like this error comes in Ubuntu 20.04, so we need to set timing. So go to settings and go to time, date and time. This is the one of the troubleshooting part. If update is failing, you need to check time, your current timing and system time. If it's not matching, you need to set manually to the current time. So right now I'm setting current time to my this Ubuntu machine, and then I will try to update softwares. Close. Still it is problem to get software update. So I just kill. I need just after setting time I set correct. Let me reboot and check. It's rebooted now. Login. System time also correct now. Open terminal and try update. Everybody will show. Some of the user will face like this problem. So for that, so what I am doing troubleshooting, they need to try this troubleshooting step by step. So it's my internet speed is very low, so it's taking time to update packages, but it's updating now. So let me pause because it's taking time. So this way is we need to update Ubuntu 20.04 operating system packages. Update, not upgrade. So it's taking time. Let's wait for next few minutes. Yeah, it's updated. So after update we need to upgrade. So update, upgrade, and dist upgrade and auto remove. These four steps must and should do after complete installation of Ubuntu 20.04. Then only we can provide this operating system to user with system. So upgrade also done, then dist upgrade by running sudo apt dist upgrade command. So then after dist upgrade, auto remove. So auto remove will remove older kernel from your operating system. So we don't have any old kernel to this 20.04 operating system because this latest release now in 23rd May 2020 only this is released, and I'm going to install this operating system on 26 April 2020. Means after releasing 3 days I started to install this operating system, and it's successfully installed and it's work fine, and it's very user friendly operating system. So then if config, so by default if config utility is not there to install if config utility, you need to run apt-get sudo apt install net hyphen tools. So net hyphen tools has that if config utility. Yeah, 192.168.0.5 IP address. Then we need to take SSH from our Windows machine. Satish at the rate 192.168.0.5. Yes, install. Give password. See this Ubuntu 20.04 LTS 5.4 kernel and 8 config also.